good morning, and welcome to our students, faculty, and staff. I'm pleased to have you all here joining us at our 6th Annual Student Recognition Awards Ceremony. As a School of Pharmacy and Health Sciences, it is our mission to educate and prepare pharmacists who will make a difference, not just in the health of individuals and populations, but in the lives and societies of others, through the practice of pharmacy and leadership roles in related healthcare fields, recognizing the needs of the individual as a person not defined by their disease and realizing their responsibilities to a global society. Amidst the challenges of this past year, students have gone above and beyond, not just in the classroom, engaging in opportunities to learn and grow and develop, but additionally have gone above and beyond in their workplaces, in volunteer organizations, and in ways that they have been able to engage to address head-on the COVID pandemic. We applaud your efforts and we applaud the time that you've taken to invest in your future, into your education, and into society as a whole. We thank you for your service, as many of you have been engaging not just in your workplace, but beyond. And we thank you for your engagement in our program here and your willingness to continue to be a part of a school that we are very proud of amidst all of these challenging times, that we've continued to plod forward and that we've continued to move to new heights and that we've continued to elevate our engagement with our students in different ways and ways that we continue to hope will grow in the future. With all of these things in mind, it's important today that we take the time to celebrate the accomplishments that we and all those around us contribute toward fulfilling our mission. This morning, we gathered to celebrate the achievement of excellence made by our students, and we congratulate all who have received awards today and commend all whose accomplishments are being recognized this morning. We look forward to an opportunity soon to be able to meet again in person and hope that by this fall we will be returning to our normal routines and to our in-person learning, where we can continue to grow and develop opportunities for our students and engage in our communities. Once again, congratulations to all the award recipients, and we look forward to celebrating with you in person soon.
We at Fairleigh Dickinson University's School of Pharmacy and Health Sciences strive to educate and prepare pharmacists who will make a difference in the health of others. Accomplishing this goal starts with the academic achievement of our student pharmacists. The Outstanding Scholarship Award serves to recognize the students who stand out as the highest academic achievers among all 4 classes. The faculty of the School of Pharmacy and Health Sciences have come together to recognize the student pharmacists who have maintained the highest cumulative grade point averages among their cohorts. We are proud to present the Outstanding Scholarship Awards to our students today. From the class of 2020, Natalia Swiderski. Class of 2021, Anna Melnick. Also from the class of 2021, Irina Melnick. Class of 2022, Omar Elmadani. Class of 2023, Puma Grant. Also from the class of 2023, Brielle Stowicki. And from the class of 2023, Ashley Vlope. From the class of 2024, Thu Lee. And finally, from the class of 2024, Pooja Patel.
At this time, the School of Pharmacy and Health Sciences is proud to recognize the student pharmacists who are the recipients of multiple scholarship awards. The Walgreens Diversity and Inclusion Scholarship. Candidates for the Walgreens Diversity and Inclusion Scholarship must embrace diversity and promote diversity and inclusion awareness initiatives on campus. Candidates must have a minimum cumulative GPA of 2.75 and submit an essay with their scholarship application explaining how he or she has made significant efforts toward raising awareness or playing an active role in educating others about diversity and inclusion-related matters impacting the pharmacy profession. A quote from the 2020-2021 recipient's essay reads, "Now, in my 3rd professional year of pharmacy school, I work part-time as a pharmacy intern, and I see little black boys and girls at the pharmacy with their parents, and they would stare at me, but mainly at my white coat. a stare of amazement, and one day, I hope that they can believe in themselves and look past the doubters and non-believers. I deserve the Walgreens Diversity and Inclusion Scholarship because I have worked twice as hard to prove my doubters wrong, and every day when I put on my white coat as a Nigerian American male, I hope to inspire someone and make my parents proud. The 2020-2021 recipient of this $2,500 scholarship is fourth-year student Semiu Durowoju. A quote from the 2021-2022 recipient's essay reads, "I've had the opportunity to positively impact my community outside of campus as a volunteer with Edge Wellness, formerly New Jersey AIDS Service last year. I was able to promote the commitment to actively improve the health of the communities where we live, work, and promote health equity and seek to promote the health outcomes of populations disproportionately affected by serious disease. The experience emphasized the importance of medical communications and the need of health literacy advocates. It awarded me with the confidence to educate others, promote health outcomes to an underserved population, and fulfillment in serving those with disproportionate unmet medical needs. In my professional career, I will continue this commitment." The 2021-2022 recipient of this $2,500 scholarship is third-year student Jorge Nunez. In addition to the Walgreens Diversity and Inclusion Scholarship, each year Walgreens recognizes a pharmacy student with the Walgreens Multilingual Scholarship. Candidates for this scholarship must be fluent in one or more languages other than English and have an interest in community pharmacy practice. Candidates must be in good academic standing and submit an essay with their scholarship explaining why he or she is deserving of this award. The 2020-2021 recipient of a $2,500 scholarship is fourth-year student Faraz Saifan, who is bilingual in English and Arabic. The 2021-2022 recipient of a $2,500 scholarship is first-year student Noran Abdallah, who is multilingual in English, French, Spanish, and Arabic. The CVS Health Standard Scholarship. CVS Health is the largest pharmacy healthcare provider in the United States with integrated offerings across the entire spectrum of pharmacy care. CVS Health is reinventing pharmacy to offer innovative solutions that lead patients down a path to better health. The company is focused on increasing access to healthcare, lowering healthcare costs, and improving health outcomes across all populations. CVS Health is proud to be able to support Fairleigh Dickinson University pharmacy students with a scholarship. Candidates for this scholarship must be in good academic standing and have an interest practicing in a community pharmacy setting. Preference is given to students who are bilingual or multilingual. The 2020-2021 recipient of a $1,000 CVS Health Standard Scholarship is fourth-year student Sengji Lee, who is bilingual in English and Korean. The 2021-2022 recipient of a $1,000 CVS Health Standard Scholarship is first-year student Noran Abdallah, who is multilingual in English, French, Spanish, and Arabic. In addition to the CVS Health Standard Scholarship, CVS Health offers the CVS Health Spanish Speaking Scholarship. Candidates for this scholarship must be in good academic standing, have an interest in practicing in a community pharmacy setting, and be bilingual in English and Spanish. The 2020-2021 recipients of a $1,000 CVS Health Spanish-Speaking Scholarship are fourth-year student Roy Farrell and second-year student Tyler Shacker. The 2021-2022 recipients of a $1,000 CVS Health Spanish-Speaking Scholarship each are third-year student Annette Beelan, third-year student Jorge Nunez, second-year student Ashley Singh, first-year student Jocelyn Freire Cardenas, and first-year student Nicole Reynoso. The Garden State Pharmacy Owners Incorporation Annual Pharmacy Scholarship. Garden State Pharmacy Owners, Inc. is dedicated to promoting the success of the independent community pharmacy in the state of New Jersey by actively participating in both state and federal legislative arenas. GSPO is also committed to providing business solutions and offerings to their members for the purpose of ensuring independent pharmacy success now and in the future. GSPO has generously donated a scholarship to current PharmD MBA, PharmD MPA, and PharmD MA students at Fairleigh Dickinson University's School of Pharmacy and Health Sciences. Recipients of this scholarship must be enrolled in the dual MBA, MPA, or MA degree programs, be in good academic standing, and plan to pursue a career in community pharmacy practice. Candidates for this scholarship must submit a one-page statement describing their plans for community practice after graduation with their scholarship application. The 2020-2021 recipient of a $1,000 scholarship is fourth-year PharmD MBA student Nadia Klapach. The 2021-2022 recipient of a $1,000 scholarship is third-year PharmD MBA student Annette Beelan. Industry Pharmacist Organization Student Scholarship. The Industry Pharmacist Organization is the organization whose pharmacist members are universally recognized within the pharmaceutical industry as being the most professionally equipped to contribute to the development, commercialization, promotion, and optimal use of medicines. IPHO is dedicated to advancing the careers of industry pharmacists and believes that pharmacists' scientific training, medication expertise, clinical acumen, patient focus, and experience as healthcare providers make them ideally suited for a career in the pharmaceutical industry. IPHO supports Fairleigh Dickinson University's School of Pharmacy and Health Sciences in many ways, including a scholarship for current students who are national student members of IPHO. The student scholarship criteria is the following. Students must have good academic merit with a GPA of 3.3 or higher, must be an active member of FDU's IPHO student chapter, a paid member of the National IPHO organization and in their P2 or P3 year, must be a dual degree student with preference given to MBA and MHS students. They must submit a 1 to 2 page essay discussing their interests and experiences in industry pharmacy, their involvement in FDU's IPHO student chapter, and why they are deserving of the award. They must also submit a resume and CV along with their scholarship application. The 2020-2021 recipient of a $1,000 scholarship is fourth-year student Jessica Chemlewski. For the 2021-2022 scholarship, IPHO has increased their diversity, equity, and inclusion efforts by awarding the scholarship to a student from an underrepresented population in pharmacy practice and industry. The 2021-2022 recipient of a $1,000 scholarship is second-year student Puma Grant. The Novartis Scholarship. Novartis is a leader in the research and development of products to protect and improve health and wellness worldwide. Areas that Novartis is involved with, but it's not limited to, are pharmaceuticals, vaccines, generics, and consumer health. Novartis has donated a scholarship fund to the Fairleigh Dickinson University School of Pharmacy and Health Sciences, aligning with the company's commitment to bettering the communities in which we live and work. Novartis scholarships will be awarded to applicants based on academic merit, financial need, and their interest and experience in industry pharmacy. Students wishing to apply for this scholarship must be in good academic standing, submit a 1 to 2 page essay discussing their interest and experience in industry pharmacy, and why they are deserving of this award. The 2021-2022 recipient of a $5,000 Novartis scholarship is third-year PharmD MBA student Paul Castellano. The 2021-2022 recipients of a $2,500 Novartis scholarship each are first-year students Hannah Mora and Nicole Reynoso. The Bristol-Myers Squibb Student Scholarship. Bristol-Myers Squibb is a global biopharmaceutical company whose mission is to discover, develop, and deliver innovative medicines that help patients prevail over serious diseases. They work every day to transform patients' lives through science. The company has combined the agility of a biotech with the reach and resources of an established pharmaceutical company to create a global leading biopharma company powered by talented individuals. As global citizens, BMS works sustainably and responsibly to create a positive impact in the communities where they live and work. They conduct their global business with the utmost integrity and transparency. As a company, they support programs, initiatives, and organizations that help improve health, expand research opportunities, promote and expand STEM education, and deliver basic human services to communities nationwide. Through these initiatives, BMS is proud to partner with Fairleigh Dickinson University's School of Pharmacy and Health Sciences to offer scholarship opportunities to students currently pursuing their PharmD degree. Recipients for this award are selected based on their academic merit, financial need, and their interest, involvement, or experience in industry pharmacy. To be considered for this scholarship, current FDU PharmD students must submit an application with a 1 to 2 page essay explaining their interest and experience in industry pharmacy and why they are deserving of this award. The 2020-2021 recipients of a $5,000 Bristol-Myers Squibb scholarship each are fourth-year student Austin Bach, third-year student Paul Castellano, third-year student Timothy Ramos, second-year student Puma Grant, and second-year student Somtuchukwu Williams. The Becton Dickinson Scholarship. Becton Dickinson is a global medical technology company that is advancing the world of health by improving medical discovery, diagnostics, and the delivery of care. BD leads in patient and healthcare worker safety and the technologies that enable medical research and clinical laboratories. The company provides innovative solutions that help advance medical research and genomics, enhance the diagnosis of infectious disease and cancer, improve medication management, promote infection prevention, equip surgical and interventional procedures, and support the management of diabetes. Becton Dickinson supports Fairleigh Dickinson University's School of Pharmacy and Health Sciences in many ways, including a scholarship program for incoming and continuing pharmacy students. Scholarships will be awarded based on academic merit, financial need, and community involvement. The 2020-2021 recipients of a $5,000 scholarship were incoming students Dominic Baran, Eli Chukri, Peter Gaddis, Alexis Goncalves, Aisha Kokar, Khatun Nasseri, Risha Patel, and Amir Samha. The 2021-2022 recipients of a $5,000 scholarship are first-year students Dominic Baran, Eli Chukri, Aisha Kokar, and Risha Patel. Allergan Scholarship. Allergan was a global pharmaceutical company focused on developing, manufacturing, and commercializing branded pharmaceutical, device, biologic, surgical, and regenerative medicine products for patients around the world. Allergan marketed a portfolio of leading brands and best-in-class products for the central nervous system, eye care, medical aesthetics and dermatology, gastroenterology, women's health, urology, and anti-infective therapeutic categories. Allergan is now part of AbbVie, and the new AbbVie will be a well-diversified leader in many important therapeutic categories with both on-market and pipeline assets, and their financial strength will allow the company to continue to invest in innovative science and continue to serve unmet medical needs of patients. Allergan supports Fairleigh Dickinson University's School of Pharmacy and Health Sciences with a scholarship for incoming first-year students. Scholarships are awarded based on academic merit, financial need, and an essay explaining why he or she is deserving of the award. The 2019-2020 recipients of a $5,000 scholarship are second-year students Rubina Ali, Kelsey Bagaj, Puma Grant, Erica Grzinski, Sheena Lakata, Michael Latfala, Shruti Ben Patel, Zainab Raka, and Archana Shah. Daniel and Martina Lewis Endowed Scholarship. The Daniel and Martina Lewis Center for Healthcare Innovation and Technology is an academic center focused on fostering collaboration between subject matter experts from within and outside the university to work together in a collaborative environment that promotes the advancement of healthcare delivery and improves patient and population health outcomes. Utilizing the global strength and partnerships established within the university and focusing on the evolving role of a pharmacist as care provider and medication expert, the Daniel and Martina Lewis Center for Healthcare Innovation and Technology will seek to develop expanded roles for pharmacists to play a vital role in several key areas within developing and underserved nations and populations. Recipients for this award are selected based on their academic merit, community involvement, and drive for innovation within the healthcare industry. The 2019-2020 recipients of a $5,000 scholarship each are fourth-year student Jessica Chmielewski, first-year student Riddhi Dodia, first-year student Noor Quaik, and first-year student Visha Patel. The Viatris Excellence in Pharmacy Award. Since 1985, Milan Institute of Pharmacy has been recognizing the high academic achievement and personal motivation of top students in pharmacy schools throughout the U.S. with their Excellence in Pharmacy Award. Last year, Milan and Pfizer's Upjohn business combined to form Viatris, which will continue this long-standing tradition of recognizing outstanding graduates in pharmacy schools across the United States. Viatris aims to deliver increased access to affordable, quality medicines for patients worldwide. To be considered for this award, the recipient must be a member of the graduating class, be in the top 25% of their class academically, and demonstrate high personal motivation and possess a unique ability to communicate drug information. The honoree will receive a certificate acknowledging the award and a custom-framed lithograph entitled Pharmacy, A Tradition of Healing. The class of 2020 recipient of the Milan Institute of Pharmacy Excellence in Pharmacy Award, chosen by our faculty, is Natalia Swiderski. The class of 2021 recipient of the Viatris Excellence in Pharmacy Award, chosen by our faculty, is Jessica Chmielewski. And last but not least, the EJI Excellence in Medicine Awards. The EJI Excellence in Medicine Scholarship Program was created in 2009 as the beneficiary of the fundraising that occurs under the auspices of the EJI Excellence in Medicine Awards each year. MD Advantage and the EJI Excellence in Medicine Foundation created the scholarship fund to meet the demonstrated need to support healthcare education and to retain medical talent in New Jersey. The program has contributed $760,000 in scholarships to medical, dental, and physician assistant programs in New Jersey over the past 10 years. Last year, the scholarship program was expanded to include the 2 PharmD programs in New Jersey as well. The student recipient must have demonstrated excellence in scholarship, research, leadership, and civic engagement and intend to practice in New Jersey. The student must be nominated by a current faculty member who was also required to write the student a letter of recommendation. The 2020 recipient of a $15,000 scholarship nominated by Dr. Young Guo, is Basil Fattel. The 2021 recipient of a $15,000 scholarship, nominated by Dr. Nicole Ryba, is Ioannis Saris.
One of the first things that we communicate to our students is our set of 5 core tenets: think, communicate, advocate, lead, and implement. We believe that these 5 attributes of leadership and professionalism will be the factors that set our student pharmacists apart from others. Furthermore, these tenets are the 5 non-negotiable characteristics that truly prepare our students to develop into pharmacists needed in the future, as the profession continues to grow and change. At this time, we're honored to recognize students who have embodied those core tenets in their actions inside and outside of the classroom. The School of Pharmacy and Health Sciences core tenet of think refers to the pharmacist's ability to think critically, analyze data, and to detect and solve problems on a path to lifelong learning. The recipients of the Think Award were selected based on their exemplary demonstration of the following criteria: thinking critically and considerately of others in pursuit of one's path as a future pharmacist, analyzing data and information before making decisions, understanding the impact of one's actions on themselves and others, and acting with consideration of how one's words and actions affect the perception of Fairleigh Dickinson University, the School of Pharmacy and Health Sciences, colleagues, and fellow students. We are proud to announce the recipient of the 2019-2020 Think Award as Michael Latvala, class of 2020. We are proud to announce the recipient of the 2020-2021 Think Award to Anam Nawab, class of 2021. The School of Pharmacy and Health Sciences core tenet of communicate refers to the pharmacist's ability to communicate knowledge and skills and to convey the confidence to practice pharmacy as an ethical and professional leader. The recipients of the Communicate Award were selected based on their exemplary demonstration of the following criteria: ability to effectively communicate knowledge and skills such that they serve as a leader among others, ability to convey confidence in practicing pharmacy, open and honest communication at all times with fellow students, colleagues, faculty, and staff. We are proud to announce the recipient of the 2019-2020 Communicate Award to Michael Saud, class of 2020, and the recipient of the 2020-2021 Communicate Award to George Nunez, class of 2022. The School of Pharmacy and Health Sciences core tenet of advocate refers to the pharmacist's ability to advocate for patients on an individual and collective basis through the practice of pharmacy. The recipient of the Advocate Award were selected based on their exemplary demonstration of the following criteria: advocate for individual patients and patient populations through the practice of pharmacy, advocate for fellow students through leadership, advocate for all, including team members, the School of Pharmacy and Health Sciences brand, the profession of pharmacy, and for the success of fellow students. We proudly present the 2019-2020 Advocate Award to Martin Lamb, class of 2023, and the 2020-2021 Advocate Award to Mark Joseph, class of 2021. The School of Pharmacy and Health Sciences core tenet of lead refers to the pharmacist's ability to lead and participate as a team member on an interdisciplinary team that may consist of physicians, nurses, pharmacists, ethicists, software or hardware engineers, and patients in real and virtual worlds. The recipients of the LEAD Award were selected based on their exemplary demonstration of the following criteria: lead and participate as part of a team for the benefit of others with strong commitment to ethics in pharmacy practice, integrity, and professionalism. Lead by example through making a presence in the FDU community and local community. And seek to influence change that moves the School of Pharmacy and Health Sciences and the pharmacy profession forward. We are proud to announce the recipient of the 2019-2020 LEAD Award as Sandra Eade, Class of 2020. And the recipient of the 2020-2021 LEAD Award as Erica Mullion, Class of 2023. The School of Pharmacy and Health Sciences core tenet of implement refers to the pharmacist's ability to implement safe and effective medication therapy management that individualizes patient care and ensures adherence, supporting the ideas of prevention and wellness for individuals and populations. In terms of our students, we aim to provide education in a way that promotes a combination of critical thinking and practical training to ensure that our students can put thought into effective practice. The recipient of the Implement Award was selected based on their exemplary demonstration of the following criteria: implementation of the FDU School of Pharmacy and Health Sciences mission and vision in pursuit of being a pharmacy professional, implement respect for others, engagement and commitment to fellow students, colleagues, and the profession of pharmacy, and application of skills and knowledge to develop programs and problem solving that provide the maximum benefit to others. We are proud to announce the recipient of the 2019-2020 Implement Award to Megan Kretschmer. The recipient of the 2019-2020 Implement Award to Megan Kretschmeyer-Neglia, Class of 2020. Since the School of Pharmacy and Health Sciences opened its doors, students, faculty, and staff have been dedicated to building our local impact through community service. No matter how big or small the impact, the combined hours have served to benefit the lives of an immeasurable number of people. Our students, faculty, and staff promoted health education by entering assisted living facilities to educate older adults on a variety of wellness topics, as well as brightening their day during each visit. As a community, we have supported walks that raise money for research on treating ailments including breast cancer, diabetes, AIDS, and cardiovascular disease. And most recently, as volunteers on the front lines of the COVID-19 vaccine distribution. The student organization deserving of the Outstanding Service Award has continuously demonstrated its dedication to community service that impacts a population of others in the School of Pharmacy, Health Sciences, local community, and beyond. We're proud to present the 2019-2020 Outstanding Service Award to the National Community Pharmacists Association, otherwise known as NCPA. And our 2020-2021 Outstanding Service Award to the Student Society of Health Systems Pharmacy, or SSHP. FDU's School of Pharmacy and Health Sciences recognizes that pharmacy practitioners are often the leaders called upon to provide service to the patients and communities that they serve. Service performed by student pharmacists enhances the lives of others and contributes to the overall student growth and development into professionals who exhibit compassion, humility, and empathy. The individual recipients of the Outstanding Service Award have been selected due to their commitment to community service that has impacted a population of others in the School of Pharmacy and Health Sciences, local community, and beyond. We are proud to present the 2019-2020 Outstanding Service Award to Ahmad Mansour, Class of 2023. Student organizations exist to enhance the professional graduate experience, supplement classroom learning, and promote student professional growth and development. They accomplish these goals by providing avenues that create opportunities for students to develop leadership skills and impact the community from the student perspective while furthering the mission and vision of the School of Pharmacy and Health Sciences. The distinguished student organizations have continuously shown strength and commitment to the following criteria: living out its mission and vision, going above and beyond the requirements set by the School of Pharmacy and Health Sciences and/or governing organization, efforts on behalf of the student organization to further the education and experience of its members, and efforts on behalf of the student organizations to further the perception of the School of Pharmacy and Health Sciences and pharmacy as a profession. The School of Pharmacy and Health Sciences is proud to announce the recipient of the 2019-2020 Distinguished Student Organization Award to the Industry Pharmacy Organization, otherwise known as IPHO. Student leadership is a valuable avenue that allows students to take advantage of opportunities to hone personal and professional skills, professional networks, and learning experiences. There are many ways that students exemplify leadership, including participation in student organizations, serving as a School of Pharmacy and Health Sciences ambassador, supporting a School of Pharmacy and Health Sciences program, and upholding the professional and academic excellence. Effective student leadership involves leading a collective of others toward accomplishing a common goal. Student Leader of the Year were selected based on their outstanding accomplishments in regards to each of the following: thoughtfulness towards peers, faculty, staff, and colleagues, ability to lead and motivate others toward accomplishing a common goal or achieving the mission and vision of the School of Pharmacy and Health Sciences, the ability to communicate openly, honestly, and effectively with others, advocacy on behalf of him or herself, fellow students, and the profession of pharmacy. Implementation of knowledge gained inside and outside the classroom toward professional pursuits. And last, strong commitment to working toward the benefit of others, including peers, colleagues in the local community, and the School of Pharmacy and Health Sciences brand. We are proud to announce the 2019-2020 Student Leader of the Year Award to Valerie Kalilap, class of 2021. And finally, the recipient of the 2020-2021 Student Leader of the Year Award goes to Paul Castellano, class of 2022. As we close our annual Student Recognition Awards, I would like to just take a moment to congratulate all of our students who have been recognized here today. On behalf of the School of Pharmacy and Health Sciences, thank you all for your continued efforts and dedication to make our program successful.